Alright guys, I don't know how well this is going to work because I'm using this little flip camera that I've had for a while that I never really use, but it's the simplest way for me to film stuff while I'm traveling. So just want to show you guys this. This is all I have left to pack. I have my DVDs, my computer tower, couple duffel bags, my mixer, my printer, and that's it. Other than what I have left out of this computer over here since my laptop doesn't work. So I got that folding table, the monitor, the tower. That's it. That cabinet I'm leaving for my roommates. My chair I'm probably going to leave for my roommates. That folding table is going with me. The vacuum's probably going to go with me because it's mine. Oh, and my laundry that I just did. So that's it. That is everything I still have to pack. My roommate says they don't know how I'm gonna fit it all in my car, but most of this will fit in my back seat. I still got plenty of room in my trunk. So gonna finish packing this up tonight. I only stopped because it started raining. So hopefully the rain will let up. I can finish getting this packed up tonight. And then tomorrow I'll be on the road. So yeah. Also sorry if there's a dead pixel showing up right around here somewhere. It's apparently something with the camera. I don't know. Can't fix it. So sorry about that. But yeah, this will probably be what I use for shooting videos over the next couple days as I'm traveling. But anyway, I'll keep you guys updated. Don't know when these will actually get posted, but I'll let you guys know. Like anytime I stop along the trip, I'll probably film something or whatever. But until then, we'll see you later.